Hi, I'm Holly Silva, and I've been a crafts expert for about 15 years now. Today I'm going to show you how to make Hawaiian decorations and crafts. Well, at least one anyway. So here I have a block, a floral block. This is a really cool foam, and I got it at the 99-cent store, along with these beautiful Hawaiian themed flowers. And they were only 99 cents a bunch and 99 cents for the foam. So here I have, these are of course false flowers or fake flowers, artificial flowers, but they're just as beautiful as any. In fact, kind of more beautiful because they'll last forever. So I'm just going to start placing them every which way. This particular arrangement we're going to do is going to be, it's going to be nice for a table arrangement. You can put them as you can use them as a centerpiece. You can use them as any type of decoration, you can use them for anything really, anywhere. Now the wonderful thing about the foam is, because it's completely foam, you can stick the flowers in every which direction that you'd like. Now, because for the sake of time, I'm showing you this side, which is my side, and I'm filling this in here, but you get the idea. What we're going to do is just fill it in however we can to hide and mask all of the greenery. Now, if for some reason, you don't want to do too many flowers, you can do just a few. And see this little void we have? You can use a nice thick piece of ribbon. Green ribbon, any type of Hawaiian colored ribbon, anything like that that you'd like. But what I'm going to do is grab this blue tissue paper, and this is going to, I'm going to do that. I'm going to roll up some tissue paper and cut it like so. Doesn't have to be fancy, doesn't have to be pretty. We're just going to roll it like this. You'll see that? We're going to put that there. And around the back. Here's this. Oh, getting away from us there. All right, and grab your, now you can do two things. You can either secure it with another flower, which is what I'm going to do, or you can use double stick tape or wire or anything you want. But I'm just going to secure it here. That way, nobody knows your secrets, all right? Because assuming you're gonna put flowers on all sides. But this is the side that I'm going to show you. And there it is. That is your Hawaiian decoration and craft. Enjoy it. Flowers are beautiful. Use your imagination, anything that you like. I hope you have a great time at whatever event you're using these for. See you next time.